darker as we try to keep going this way.
Is this Jones? This looks like Jones.
Yes, this should be Jones.
Okay, turning right here. This is dark. Lights out. A few lights are out here, but thankfully the intersection is still lit. Right only turn onto Jones Road.
Protected by left hand.
Okay, that's good. Here we go. That is dark. Lights are out up ahead.
This power is out in this block.
You're right. I think.
Alright, we're rolling.
Okay, gotta roll. Sorry, folks. Oh, this lane's clearing. Okay, that works. This is not good. Wind is blowing into it. This is not good.
Lightning flash.
Now we're far south on Jones Road. We're not even. Oh, wait a minute. Are we? Is that close to?
That's 1960. Yeah, we're only a few blocks down. It's like.
Good, good. Go, 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 go.
Come on, people. Yeah, the light being out was kind of the worst thing for this. Like I said, it doesn't matter what.
Shall we stay at the office? No.
No. Also, probably felt better in the car.
One of the darkest storms I've seen in a long time. Ooh hoo hoo hoo. I don't know if you saw that or not.
The lightning?
Yeah.
I saw the sky light up. I was looking away.
I could see the bulb through it. Yeah. It's not raining currently. Yep, we're all trying to go.
I think we have an accident here.
Better not.
Someone is standing in front of that truck.
Which truck?
The one in the truck turn lane there.
I don't see a truck. Any
lady in the street.
Okay. You go. There's no cross traffic. Now I got a pedestrian walking the road, so.
Yeah, lady.
We'll let the Honda go, because I'm not sure where it's going. And we are going. Okay. Dude. This is nuts.
There's lightning right there.
Yeah, this is nuts. Get on the horn. Tell him he needs to be ready to shelter. I will focus on driving. See the edge of it. Okay, I got something to look for now.
Yeah. Lance is saying, be ready to shelter potentially because it's bad.
It is dark. It is night where we're at.
No, we are seeing it with our own eyes. This is ominous.
It is night where we're at.
Yeah, where we're at, it is darkness.
It is 9 p.m. where we're at.
Yeah. It's basically twilight, like nightfall where we are. It's so dark. And there's lightning all over.
We're not exaggerating. This is bad.
Yeah. Alright. Okay. Yeah.
every 5 minutes that we're going to be in this before we find out what happens. Isn't this fun? Isn't this what you came out of California for? Oh, okay. Now, to my left, you see the edge of the sky. That where you stop seeing the sky, that's where you need to look. Okay.
Wall cloud, right there. Holy crap.
That's where you need to look.
Yeah, holy.
You see my experience, now I know that.
Yeah. And the sky is green.
Yes, that's hail. We are at 1960 now, so we're about to take a right. This is going to come up 1960 towards the house.
Yeah.
Uber Eats drive mode activated. Yep, we could see it. The one time you don't need to warn me because we can actually see it.
Force close my camera. I'm just not allowed to take a picture of that, apparently.
Well, we might get more opportunities here. Okay, we have pulled to the point where I can get to the intersection, but it might go nuts. Yeah, tornado warning until 6:45, next 30 minutes. This is not good at all.
Lights are flickering here at the shopping center.
Okay. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. It is right here. Oh, it's moving fast south. Look at that.
Oh, let it go south. Let it go south.
There go the lights. That may be that is rotation.
Let it swing south of us.
Got a green light. Let's see if we can go. I got people running. There go the lights.
Yep. Walgreens lost power.
Look at that. To your left, to your left, to your left. Yep. Might be a funnel. Okay, got a second chance over your shoulder.
I hear the wind.
Accident here.
Oh, guys, come on. Glad we... Woo!
I got my hazards on. I'm glad that we're going this way and not that way. Ooh, folks, don't.
Well, this might be cam footage to save from the dash cam.
I'm getting winds that are nuts right now.
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta slow down for red flashing lights. This is an intersection where people can just panic and go through.
And I would not think it is strictly 6 p.m. right now.
We're getting hail.
Yep.
Okay, Mustang, I'll let you go. After the Mustang goes, I have to go. I have a green light. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? I can't run the wipers any faster. And I have a green. Nobody comes through. I have a green. Starting to have trouble seeing the road, the wind's blowing me.
Just use the island with your guide.
I think this is Mills Road.
Yeah.
Getting by the mall is going to be fun.
So we just stay in this lane, basically.
We're in the polygon for the tornado. That's it behind us, I think.
Yeah.
Is it?
That green spot there?
That's not 1960. We're up here somewhere.
We're in the neutral notch, I think.
Yes, I'm betting at this point it's to our south. Yeah, if we're in green, that's hail, which I think we're in hail now. It's to our south.
Yeah.
Why are we still sitting here?
Yeah, because we're not moving. Alright, now we're rolling. Green skies. There's green.
I think it's possibly moving to our east based on wind direction. Not the tornado. This is the hell core.
Yeah.
I think we may actually be in between the tornado and the hell core, but whiteout conditions. I can only follow the vehicle in front of me. May have flooding down here, but
yeah. Fluctuate next door.
As the wind picked up.
Yep.
I bet you people are parked underneath here. They better not be, but we're at the 249. That is strong wind.
Just can't see it.
Woo! That's a power flash.
Yeah.
Don't take shelter.
Keep rolling, people.
Don't take shelter. I saw a power flash by 249. Let's got going. We're not flooded. we're not flooded at all. So keep moving, folks.
Got good drainage in this one at least.
That person just decided to wait. You tell them to take shelter?
Yeah, I put in the chat.
Okay. I don't know what direction the power flash is from. But that was ground-based. That was not like lightning in the sky.
Hopefully that's just a transformer going off, but
yeah. There's another power flash. Another one.
multiple clock tower.
By the way, I'm not afraid. I'm focused right now.
Yeah.
Don't know what that was. I hope that wasn't debris.
Don't know, but
yeah, I think it's hail.
yeah.
Power flash east of our neighborhood. We're on the backside. The winds are south like this. You know how a tornado circulates.
Yeah.
We're on the backside, basically chasing the tornado now.
Yeah, well, should be past the house then.
Yeah. To get up to this guy.
Yeah. Dude's just standing out in the storm.
Are you sure you don't want to go talk to Bill?
I mean, it is starting to lighten up actually. It's not as dark as it was.
This it? Barrels might have not moved.
The pump will have power. That's actually real quick.
This is our turn. Do you see any damage?
No, no.
I'm getting hailed on.
Yeah.
You're nuts driving with no lights, dude.